What's up guys, we've got a nice sweet treat for you this time. So we've got a mango and passion fruit Eaton mess. So let's get straight into it. So let's get into chopping the mango. So what I'm going to do is stand it up and I'm just going to run the knife down the side. So what you'll see is that's the seed. So it's easier to just run the knife down the side of this. And you'll see that's all seed. So usually if you leave it to be ripe, it would be easy to just peel it off. You wouldn't have to use a knife. So if there's any excess, you just want to get that from around the edges. And then we're discard of the pip. I'm just going to dice this a little bit up and then I'll show you what to do with the rest. So what you want to do is score right the way down. Make sure you're very careful that you're not pushing the knife right the way through. So if you do this all the way across and then turn it around. And then just fold that back. And then we can just cut them off like that. So just be very mindful if you're doing this method so that you don't cut yourself. So now that's all chopped up, so let's get into making the fresh cream. So we've got the double cream. So we've got 600 mils. So we're going to whip the cream and add in the icing sugar. So as you can see, it's starting to thicken, so this is almost going to be done. I think this is slightly over, but we can still use it anyway. I think it's just about salvageable, so just be very careful you don't over whip your cream. So let's put all this together. So we'll start off with some of the fresh cream, some crushed meringue, so as we're layering this, you just want to keep building and building all the way through. So you've got your fresh cream, we've got some meringue. You can make your own meringue, or if you've got any leftover crushed meringue, this is absolutely perfect to use. So we're just going to keep adding this as we go along. Some of the mango that we chopped earlier. And the good thing with this, you can just keep going and going and going. So we've got the mango and passion fruit coulis. Some more mango. And then finally a nice drizzle of this. And then we'll finish off with these nice little pieces of fresh mint. So there you have it, a nice mango and passion fruit Eaton mess. Enjoy with the family.